Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Now we are going to begin the chapter 3 Word Processor Tabular Presentation. In MS Word Processor, in the previous session you have learned how to create and format table such as moving and resizing a table, applying table styles, border and shading to a table in MS Word. Let us recall the basic terms related to a table. The vertical section of table is called a column and its horizontal section is called a row. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. In this session, we will learn some other operations that can be performed on a table. Modifying a table. Modifying table means to change the look and feel of a table in a document. MS Word provides various features to customize a table like insertion of rows and columns, deletion of rows and columns, merging and splitting cells. Let us learn how to modify a table using customizing features of Word. Now, in the previous session, children, we have learned how to insert row. Let us revise again. First, wherever you want to select the row, you simply select the row and go to Layout tab, and on the ribbon Rows and Column Groups, you choose where you want to select the row. We have an option here, Insert Above, Insert Below. So you choose according to your need. Suppose I'll say above. So you can see one row is inserted. Same way, if you need to insert column, so what we have to do? The steps to insert column, select a column first. I have selected the column or a cell of a table to which you want to insert a new column. Go to Layout tab, and under the Layout tab, Row and Columns group, click on the following option like Insert Left or Insert Right. According to your need, you can insert. Suppose I am taking right. So I will click on the Insert Right. A new column will be inserted in the table as per the option selected. So this way you have learned this. Now, insertion of cells. Sometimes we need to insert extra cell in our table. So what we can do, the steps to insert cell in a table are as follows. Select the cell where you want to insert new cell. Suppose I want to insert a new cell here. Right click on the cell. Right click on the cell. A drop down menu will appear. Click insert option here, and then you can choose from here insert cells from submenu. So it will ask us choose the following options: shift cells down, shift cells right, or so I have taken shift cells down. So I say okay. So you can see this is shifted down. Okay, so here these two new cells are added. Now, so this way you can insert row, column and cell. Now, I want to delete this extra column. So, we will learn how to delete the rows, columns or cells. So, simply select the row or column. Just select the column first. Then what you have to do, you go to Layout tab, then Rows and Columns. Here is the option Delete, and then as soon as you click the delete, it will ask you delete cells, delete columns, delete rows, delete table. So I need to delete columns, so just simply click on it. Then extra column is deleted. Same way here, I will select the cell and then go to here, delete and say delete cell. So it will ask me shift cells left, down, what? Delete entire row, entire column. So you say shifts up. So you can see it is deleted. Now row I am not deleting because I need it. Okay. Now this way you have learned how to delete rows, columns and cells. Now let us learn how to change the row height and column width. So how can we do? To change the row height, select the row. First I want to select this row. Then click on the layout tab. Already I have clicked here. Then click on the properties option in table group. Then you will get the table properties over here. Click on the row tab here. Here also there is a table, row, column and cell tab. Click on the row tab and then click on this specify height and type the height of it. Suppose I'll type here 3. 3.00. Then I say OK. So you see the table, this row size is increased. The height of row is increased. Now changing the column width. Now I can even minimize it also. From here cell size. On the layout tab, cell size group, you can do from this spin arrow and you can decrease it also according to your need. Now this way you can increase the height of the row. The other option is changing column width. So changing column width, what we can do, just simply select the column whose width you wish to change. So I want to change this column. I will keep my arrow on the top of the column edge and as soon as I click the left mouse button, column is selected and now click on the layout tab, properties option, tables, group, properties option and now I'll click on the column tab and then whatever preferred width I need, suppose I'll say 4. So either you can type or either you can use this arrow, up arrow. Now you can say OK. So you see the columns width is increased. So this way we have learned today insertion of rows, insertion of columns, insertion of cells, deletion of rows, columns, cells and how to change row height and column width. Thank you.